sit rep. Yo, Gunny. Yo, Gunny. Yo, Gunny, yo.
Yo, Gunny, yo. Yo, Gunny, yo. It's the sit rep.
Sit rep, not rep.
No.
Well, I see you got a nice close shave there, sweetheart. Little accident. It's a good thing you had some toilet paper. You might have bled to death. It's a good afternoon anyway. Come on, let's go.
It's a rough night.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Here tonight at the Tin Cup in Cooper City, and Bob and I are playing some music, and Annie and DJ are here. It's kind of fun to think that with the music that's how it started.
Gene was a tremendous support for me while DJ was deployed in Afghanistan. And we would often get together out of church. And one night, DJ had just gotten back from Afghanistan, and we were so excited he was coming home, and I was sleeping again because parents don't sleep when their kids are over there. And I showed her this picture. I'm like, I can't believe how he looks. He's so buff.
She gave me a picture of DJ, which I took home, and when Annie was home, I said, hey, this is my friend Linda's son. He's going to be in town. He's just getting back from Afghanistan. He's in the Marine Corps. Would you be interested in meeting him? And she looked at the picture and she said, yeah.
The gig, when my mom and DJ's mom, Linda, put us together, I knew about it. He didn't. I don't think he knew. We just talked, and I don't know, we just hit it off. And then every day until you went back to Camp Lejeune, we at least spent some time together. That was it. Then I flew up there to see him all the time, and 3 months later we were engaged, and 6 months later we were married.
Art, where do we stand on the project?
Well, Gunman, we are right on course, ahead of schedule. Now that I'm a major, like you said, we're making major progress.
Major. You know, you've convinced me that you know absolutely nothing about what you're talking about.
You mean like in military terms, or are we back to that whole sit rep thing?
Well, why don't you find something to do inside so you can get away from me, real far away from me, because where I can't reach you, okay?
I got you. I'll go take a nap.
Oh, boy. Gunman.
How cool is this? Home Depot came and put in a brand new fence for us with a beautiful gate. And as I'm dodging raindrops out here, I wanted to show you guys this beautiful 3.5-ton Goodman HVAC system. As anybody knows, down here in South Florida especially, you have to have a good HVAC system to cool and heat the home. All right, so now that we're in here nice and dry, there's still a lot of work going on in here. Ryan, what are you doing? You're always in the way.
You're always in my way. I'm busy.
Well, check this out, guys. This is what I wanted to show you. This is the brand new Goodman System air handler. Because of Annie's respiratory issues, we had an amazing HEPA filtration system installed right here, which is fantastic. Gets all those fine particulates out of the atmosphere of the home. We also have, that you can't see, but it's in here, is a UV light. Now, why do we have a UV light? UV kills bacteria, mold, mildew, and kills germs. So there's no germs circulating through the house. Fantastic Goodman brand, engineered, designed, and assembled in the United States, which is fantastic. Now, check this out, guys. This is the Wi-Fi controlled digital thermostat. The beauty of this system is, because it's Wi-Fi controlled, you can control it right from your phone. You're not wasting energy when you're not here. It's all available right here on this beautiful digital display on the Goodman Wi-Fi panel. So I'm gonna check on Ryan. I hear him over there. He's definitely in need of some direction. So check this out and I'll go follow up with him.
You know what's worse than aching cold? A lot worse? When your home's furnace breaks down.
Oh my.
That's when to call me, an independent Goodman dealer.
Oh, thank goodness.
I'll install a new energy-efficient, refreshingly affordable Goodman gas furnace. When your home feels like the coldest place on earth, it's good to know there's a local Goodman dealer nearby.
Welcome home.
Daddy.
Thank goodness for Goodman.
Hey, Gunny, are you all right? Have you been sleeping okay at the hotel? You got me worried.
No, Art, I've been having this reoccurring nightmare, and it's kind of a rap thing, which I hate rap music. And,
Right.
and you're in it, and you're touching me and everything.
Really?
And I can't sleep.
Man, that's awful. I had no idea I had this kind of effect on you, Gunny. I kind of feel bad.
Yeah, you know, really, I've been thinking about it, and the only way that I can come up with that I might be able to clear my head is if I give you a good full of metal jacket tongue lashing.
All right, Gunny, hold on. I got to finish the show here. Episode 2 of the Schaeffer Family Military Makeover is coming to a close, right?
Oh, yeah. Right. In the next episode of Military Makeover, we bring DJ and Annie back to their beautifully remodeled home. Hoorah!
So join us for the big reveal.
Yeah, this is Gunnery Sergeant Harley Ermy and him saying Semper Fi, adios, bye. See you next time, hoorah!
What he said. Hang in there, Gunny.
Don't touch me, get away.
T-shirts generously donated by 9 Line Apparel.